Welcome. My name is Alexander Rose and I'm from the United Kingdom's Government Legal Service. And today I'm going to speak to you about the General Block Exemption Regulation, also known as the GBER. The GBER is the Commission's attempt to make the lawful award of state aid easier. It's 43 easy-to-use exemptions, which the Commission hopes will be used for 90% of all awards of state aid between 2014 and 2020. The structure of the GBER requires that all of the common provisions, that's Articles 1 to 13, are complied with, and then there's a menu in which the project can choose any one of 43 different specific exemptions and has to meet all the requirements within that provision. Aid can be awarded either on an ad hoc basis, that is an individual award of aid, or under a scheme. That's where the member state sets out the requirements they expect a project to meet. The GBER has been changed from the previous GBER in three different ways. Firstly, there's more exemptions, up from 22 in the previous GBER. There's higher thresholds. For example, in the previous GBER, thresholds were often around the 2 million mark. Now there's GBER exemptions with 50 million, 100 million euro exemption values. And they've also broadened the categories of aid, changing definitions so that more projects are within scope. Offsetting this, they've also introduced new compliance requirements. And it's really important that projects understand exactly what they're going to be held to. For instance, the incentive effect at Article 6.2 has changed. This will be an area of difficulty for some projects. Unless you know exactly what to do, it's easy to fall foul of. And with the European Court of Auditors finding up to 20% of projects they investigate to have signs of non-compliance with state aid law, it's vital that projects learn about this. If you'd like to discuss the GBER further, or would like to participate in some worked exercises, then we'll be discussing this at the Lexxion trainings.
You can find more information on what Lexxion can provide to you on the website lexxion.eu.